Matamaiti noa I hoa Seddon Jury-Jane, ia e mātaki ana I tōna kuia e tākaro ana I te maita.
We were never allowed to play. We had to watch from inside, yeah. So I watched for about 10 years before I got to play.
Nō naia nei, he toa whakaihu waka ia. Nō tēnei tau, ko Jury-Jane tērā I toa I te taitarata ane a tīma I te whakataetai a motu Aotearoa Māori Bowls. Koinei tāna taitara a motu tuarima.
I think it's really promising because I've done it so fast. A lot of people take 20 to 15 years and I've done it all under 10. There's nothing that I set myself out to achieve and I haven't achieved yet.
Ko tāna kai whakaohoho, ko tōna kuia Hina Jane, koia tētahi o ngā toa whakaihu waka o te motu I tēnei ke mua nō hoki.
I think if she had the right support and systems in place, she could have been the next Millie Khan. Just a lot stopped her, yeah, like financial-wise. And we didn't really understand. She used to just humbly say no. Like she used to play against 20-year-olds, like 30-year-old, 40. She was 82, you know, in her prime. And yeah, a little Māori lady playing against all these Pākehās and dominating. I was absolutely proud of my nan, yeah. And that's Robin Wallace, so she made the New Zealand team. Yeah, Nan just didn't have the support.
Nan would tell us which shot to play. You know, come down here with this sort of weight, and me being me, I'd be like, yeah, Nan, yes, Nan. Try and execute it exactly how she wanted it. Seddon would be, no, Nan. No, Nan, I'm going to come this way.
Good bowl. Well done.
Nā te pikinga Jury-Jane I roto I te maita, kua hoki mai tāna tuakana a Lucas Jury ki te kēmu.
He's achieving real good things, great things, not only for Nan's memory but for himself as well. When I came back to bowls, my heart wasn't fully into it. I was only going as a training partner for Seddon. Like you notice your progress in the sport and then you're like, actually maybe I can give it a real good go and try and make something of myself in the sport.
Nā kaore a Jury-Jane e ata haere ana, kei ai a tētahi whāinga nui.
I want to be the world champion. I really want to be the world champion. Whether it's an indoor bowls world champion, pairs, singles, fours, whatever. I just want to be on top of the world.
Nō tēnei tau, ka haere a Jury-Jane ki ētahi whakataetai pērā ki te Matador Falls, Blue Diamond Pairs me te Australian Open Singles. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.